Hi there, Ken Bader here with the Chief Executive Officer of State Highway Patrol Federal Credit Union, the charter member of the new Police Officers Credit Union Association, and we're so proud to have your credit union as the first member of this new association, which you've been highly involved in helping us to create. Talk a little bit about the motivation of having an association and being that first member.
I think it all started when I started going to the conferences. I was a brand new CEO and was looking for some mentorship, other credit unions that were law enforcement based that could relate to my membership. Then we have grown into an association now. At this point, we were looking for some strategic planning, and we needed some guidance there. And the association offered a strategic planning session that we could go through with the staff. Also, the benefit to our board members has been very instrumental in their growth. They attend the conferences with me. They know that we're part of the association now and how we are moving forward, growing as a much larger association. So we've gotten a lot out of it, and I think you've even quoted me in the early years, one of my first ones. It was probably one of the better events that I've went to as far as conferences or seminars related to CEOs.
Well, that's great to hear, and we really appreciate it. And I have to say that I believe it was about 4 or 5 years ago when you came to our first conference, or came to your first conference, and you became an active member pretty much right from the start and began collaborating in what we were doing with the conferences, and you were truly a key part into us getting to this point of being an association. Talk a little bit about the collaboration and the motivation. What have you gotten out of the collaboration aspect of our group?
I have a group of friends, and they are truly friends within the association that I can rely on. If I have a question or a concern about my membership or a product or service, I know I can call anyone in this association that can actually relate to our type of membership that we have, because we are law enforcement. They can understand the needs and things that our membership needs and wants. I just remember when we went to to California.
Right.
The LA Police. And again, at that point, I'd only been a CEO a couple years, and I seen how their credit union had a great relationship with the LA Police Department. And I said then to my board member, I said, that's the kind of relationship that I want to have this credit union to have with our membership, which is the State Highway Patrol. Since then, we have grown leaps and bounds, and I believe that truly was my defining moment.
Terrific. Thank you for sharing that. And that's certainly one of the number one points of our brand, which is the networking and the camaraderie. Over 10 years, it never ceases to amaze me, and it always does my heart good at the first session on the Sunday when we see board members and CEOs and other executives from all around the country at police credit unions, hugging each other and telling stories like they just saw each other a week ago. It's truly an aspect of the brand, and certainly something that you continue to bring to our association and our group, and I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you, Becky. Thank you for taking a little bit of time, and thank you for taking some time with us. If you want more information about the Police Officers Credit Union Association, please feel free to visit our website at www.policecreditunions.com. Thank you, and have a great day.